Unlike electricity, water and natural gas, you have complete control over your compressed air system. When energy within this system comprises 73% of the total cost of the system over a 10-year life cycle, well, time to take note. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Air compressors can consume up to 30% of a site's electricity consumption, 90% of which can be wasted, with half lost due to leakage, even in new equipment. And with energy costs increasing, manufacturers and businesses are looking at how they can better track their energy usage. Like any critical piece of plant equipment, compressed air systems require regular health checks. Data logging via Atlas Copco's AirConnect tool analyses a compressor's airflow and energy consumption. Data is then compiled into a report with recommendations on how you can save energy and reduce costs, lower your environmental footprint, and which compressor is an ideal fit for you. It also allows you to calculate your return on investment. So if you're tired of wasting thousands of dollars on an inefficient air compressor, well, then turn to Atlas Copco. More information, go to atlascopco.com/EN, then -AU, or give them a call, 1800 023 469. And thanks for watching.